Hi, my name is Angela Perry, and this is my summary on my leadership theory paper, How to be a Transformational Leader. Transformational leadership is defined as something that inspires employees to strive beyond required expectations to work towards a shared vision. Transformational leader characteristics. There is a long list of characteristics that leaders have, and this is just a short version of the characteristics of a transformational leader. Transformational leaders should be charismatic, connect well with others, they should be self-aware of their strengths and weaknesses, they should be open-minded, they should be always willing to learn and expand on the knowledge that they've got, they should be inquisitive, humble, adaptable to changing experiences and times, they should be innovative, they should be proactive, they should be bold, honest, and confident. But they should not have an ego, so that confidence should be checked. Transformational leaders know how to motivate and encourage employees to create meaningful changes through their improved performance. They create engagement in the workforce that was not previously there, and they communicate at a really high level. Communication is so important to transformational leadership. They also lead by example, so they put in a lot of effort and they make sure that they don't ask their employees to do things that they themselves are not willing to do. The essentials of becoming a transformational leader are to pay attention to the needs of others, really focus on the tools that they have and what areas they could use some help with, encourage and motivate followers. It is really hard to be confident in what you're doing if you are not getting some encouragement at some points, and some positive feedback, or just feedback in general. Transformational leaders should provide an ethical framework for decision making. They should really work hard to build up trust and relationships with their employees. They should act with integrity, and they should think innovatively, as well as being willing to coach others when necessary. Cultivating a transformational culture. Transformational leaders should investigate how to transform their culture. They should talk to employees about issues that need to be addressed, encourage others to buy into their vision, influence outside of the hierarchy of the people that report directly to them. They should look to everybody in the company. Have high levels of consideration for your peers, put forth effort, have a purpose to what you are doing and asking others to do, and work on communication. Lastly, how do you know you are succeeding in being a transformational leader that is changing the culture of your company? You should look at your employees. Are they feeling empowered? Are they committed to their work? Are they feeling confident? Are they feeling motivated? And don't be afraid to ask them for feedback. You should be willing to give them feedback on their work, and you should ask them to give you feedback as well. Regular check-ins are really important to making sure that you are staying in check and everybody's on the same page with the same vision in mind. Here are a few of the references I used in my paper and that I mentioned here in this presentation. Thank you.